We have something unusual here today. A package that's been delivered by Netflix. And thank God Rian is in town because he's Mr. Mystery. He understands how to solve mysteries. He's an expert at.
I don't know if I go that far.
So hopefully he can help us crack this code.
Looks like real wood, yeah.
Any other observations at this point?
Yeah, just these little markings.
Yeah,
I noticed
a couple of
here,
markings.
over here. Yeah.
Have you ever done one of these before? Like, have you ever solved a puzzle?
I put together a puzzle.
You might say you solved it. Look at the wax seal on there.
I thought that was like a piece of candy, maybe.
My dear friends, my beautiful disruptors, my closest inner circle, congratulations. You are now in possession of my box of riddles, the likes of which have never been seen before and shall never be seen again.
Cryptic.
I bestow you this with the hope that your puzzle-solving skills will be sharp as you peel back the layers of this enigma. You'll find the magnifying glass a rather fitting addition in unlocking this mystery. These are going to be some clues. Oh boy. Oh boy. We got the periodic table.
There's a little door right here. I know this one. Whoa.
There would be a magnifying glass.
All right. Okay, cool.
Damn, can I see that? So this portion must be the key. A key.
Yeah, it looks like it would fit into.
Do you want to do the honors?
Hey, look at this. Another little juicy nugget I found here.
What is that, magnetic?
Oh. I don't know what it does, but it's there. Okay. All right. Let's try this. Did you hear that?
Oh, I heard that. I mean, there's more spots, right?
You hear that?
Yeah.
Let's see this one. It did a click, but not like a...
That was a click. There's one more on this side.
Click. Listen to this one more time.
Yeah.
It's a different noise than that
Totally
one.
different
Okay.
noise, man.
Well, this piece looks like it would fit somehow like into the... Ooh.
Ooh.
And now we put this piece in. Ah! You see that? All right, you want to help me out here, man? I feel like I've gotten us pretty far.
Here. No.
In the picture, it shows it diagonal like this.
Correct.
But it hasn't gone that direction yet for us.
I think it's because you started poking around before you did that part.
Oh! You did the right sequence. I knew there must have been a sequence. How did you do that? Whoa, a maze.
This is really cool. Look at the craftsmanship here. First of all, like the fabrication of these things is wild.
That's super cool,
I
yeah.
mean-
I don't know what goes into that in terms of machinery and...
We have a couple of little balls inside of a maze. Obviously, they're gonna have to find their way to the other side. This piece in the center here, this is the clue we're using for this portion.
These two balls gotta get here.
Yep, that's right. Oh,
What's this?
do this.
Oh.
There's a magnetic pull as soon as you do that. Ah, are these magnetic? They are.
Ah. That looks easy.
What was that?
then.
What was that, Ryan?
Ah. Oh.
Dead. Dead end. All right, you're up, brother.
I got a little bit of a head start because I was kind of analyzing it before you.
Well, then go ahead then. Oh!
Oh, cool. Flashlight.
Third ball. And then we've also got a flashlight, which is like, has a blue light. But for now, we'll drop in the third ball. Is that a dead end door? All right, well, let's try this.
Try the
one.
middle.
All right.
I wonder if that light comes into play somehow. Maybe you can see through the wood or something? You can. You can see the lines.
You can see through the wood. Yeah, I got it. Although I'm still trapped. I still have to go back in.
This is where you got to come out, right here.
Yeah, so you go in. I gotta go back
There you go.
in.
Yeah. Now
and
you're
then
good.
out.
Now you're done. Yeah, you got it. Money. What? Sounds like it unlocked. Sweet. You want to put it on this side or that side?
Oh.
Wow. That's insane.
Oh,
So crazy.
oh, wow. This is a fun type of video to make, you know?
It's a cool game.
Like,
I said.
imagine if each time you did an unboxing video, it was an entire mystery.
It'd be a lot of fun.
It was an actual task or challenge with increasing difficulty. Oh, I think we're increasing in difficulty at the moment. Now we're into constellations and
Periodic tables.
that's right. Are these?
Mario Party has a game like this, a puzzle. That looks.
Oh, there's a pattern. I was
Yeah,
just getting the
yeah.
word.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
a pattern. All these pieces have a location
They attach to the other lines.
that they need to be in. Oh, I'm dead. I'm immediately dead. I'm already dead.
Yeah, keep shuffling. This one, right? You got to get here. Is that the one?
Oh man. I wonder if you're supposed to work left to right or. Oh, okay, I have that.
This is one of those clips where it's like comes on screen. It's like 2 hours later.
This is the most irritating.
Okay, let me get in there for a sec. Ah! What am I doing?
Wait, we're close. Hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, wait, oh!
Oh!
Hey! Well, we unlocked this section here, which appears to be the constellation situation. And there's like a little wire in here, which I think we are going to wrap around
And
the
it's gonna go through
constellation, which is the Bear, Ursa, which is also the Big and Little Dipper.
Got some lights going on. So maybe if you go like in, out, so that it holds, you know what I mean? Like, yeah.
Well, there's one.
Aha! Okay. Oh, sick. All right, maybe that's all we needed.
We just had to get
You
minor.
nailed it. Nice work, buddy.
Okay.
It's a good team effort here.
Now we got.
We're a good team, you and I.
We have X's and O's.
Aw, I'm the
What
best
is
X&O's
this?
player there, man. Like, ask my kids. What do you gotta do? Yeah, you gotta get it right and then push the button.
Do you know Morse code?
Oh, right.
Letters. We have letters and we have elements. Are we gonna spell something? That looks like an F. An F-O-O-X. What is the significance of the X's and O's?
Wait, so Morse should be like beep, 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 beep.
That's Morse.
That's Morse, okay. And these don't move, do they? No.
Should we just spell like this? Word? One of these words that is like outlined here?
Things are clicking in there.
What if I just spell this whole word Fuchs?
Okay, I like that.
Not great at
Let me
Morse
try
code.
one more
Not
time.
great at Morse
Let me
code.
try one more time.
Okay, yeah.
Let me try that.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, let's see here.
But if you've ever heard Morse code, it's like dee dee dee.
Yeah. So you gotta be quick. I think that's the key
dee
here.
dee. Oh,
See, my thing is, I think.
I suck at Morse code.
I think. And then I can wait. Then it's. Now it's.
That's trash.
Okay, you try it. Now,
was trash.
now just keep in mind you can wait between letters.
If you've ever heard it before, it's like beep 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 beep.
Oh, there we go.
Morse code, baby. Woo! All right.
Is it safe?
We made it to what I believe is the final puzzle.
The elements.
I'll be needing this. We have we can actually turn
Okay.
cogs, and we have a switch. So we're gonna find the number of the element,
Yeah.
which is silver.
Nickel? Silver? What do you got there?
It looks like silver.
Okay, silver. Let's go with silver.
I haven't looked at these in a while.
I never.
one of these tables.
I didn't do well in science in school. Silver, AG. There you go. 47. Can't be that easy.
Oh, is that easy, dude?
Nice. Oh, baby. Looks like an onion. That thing.
The onion, the layers of the onion. Look at this.
Woo! Look at that. There's a little note in there.
We managed to crack the code against all odds here. You beautiful mind, you did it. My deepest compliments. You definitely deserve some of the credit here.
Thank you.
This is, however, only the opening act of mysteries yet to come. Let us reunite at the Glass Onion on December 23rd, 2022. December 23rd.
December 23rd.
That's coming up very soon.
Yeah.
And that's the launch of Glass Onion.
I'm
Knives Out Mystery.
I'm gonna check it out.
You're gonna
I can
check it
watch that
out.
for sure. No.
I mean, after all this, you're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
Actually, there's all types of practical effects in the show, similar to the one that we just engaged with.
Yeah. Yeah. So that'd be fun to see how they do versus how we did.
I'm sure they did better than we did.
I don't know about that.
Definitely check it out on Netflix, Glass Onion, December 23rd.